I will teach you today transpose matrix. So here is, you can see AB, transpose of AB equal to transpose of B into transpose of A. আজকে আমরা ট্রান্সপোজ ম্যাট্রিক্স সম্পর্কে জানব, অর্থাৎ AB then transpose equal to transpose of B into transpose of A. So let's come back. You can see here is, if A equal to 1, 2, 3 and minus 4 and B equal to 0, 5, 1 and 7. So prove that AB transpose equal to transpose of B transpose of A. So যদি A সমান 1, 2, 3 minus 4 and B সমান 0, 5, 1 and 7, তাহলে প্রমাণ করো যে ট্রান্সপোজ অফ AB equal to transpose of B into transpose of A. এটা আমাদেরকে প্রুভ করতে হবে। So let's come back. So dear students, please follow the board. Here is, you have to find out AB at first. At first AB, A into B. Before starting AB, you have to follow the system. Without this you cannot do the maths. Okay, if you follow it, you will be benefited. So here is, you can see 1, 2, this is row, this is row and this is column. So you can see 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 0 and 1. So at first you have to take first column. তোমাকে প্রথমেই প্রথম কলাম নিতে হবে এবং দুইটা সারি নিতে হবে। You have to follow this method. অর্থাৎ this is row, this is column. Be careful. So here is, you can see 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1. 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1. Again you can see 3 into 0 minus 4 into 1. 3 into 0 plus minus 4 into 1. Completed. Now here is another column. This is another column. You can see 5, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and minus 4. Let's multiply. 1 into 5. 1 into 5. You can write 1 into 5. 1 into 5 plus 2 multiplied by 7. 1 into 5 plus 2 into 7. In the next you have to write 3 into 5 minus 4 into 7. So here is 3 into 5. 3 into 5. 3 into 5 plus minus 4 multiplied by 7. Just you have to follow this method. This is row and this is column. So here is 1 into 0, that means we will get 2 into 1, 2. Here is 0 plus minus 4 into 1. So we will get here is minus into plus, we will get minus 4. So this part done. আমাদের এই পাঁচটা সম্পূর্ণ হলো। Now calculate 1 into 5, 7 to the 7 into 2, 14. 3, 5, 3 into 5, 15 minus the plus minus, here is 28. আমাদের multiplication completed. Just concise. একটু শর্ট করে নাও। Here is 2 and minus 4. Here is 2 and minus 4. Then here is 14 plus 5. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Here is 19 and here is 15. Here is minus 28. So we will get, here is minus 13. So we have got AB, we have got AB equal to, we have got 2, 19, minus 4 and minus 13. So we have done AB at first. Now AB we have to convert into transpose matrix. So let's come back, we will do the transpose matrix. Now we have to find out AB transpose, that means left hand side. So here is, you can see left hand side is AB transpose of AB. So AB, we have got AB equal to this. Now at first you have to write AB, then transpose. So it is a method of transpose matrix. So row will be column, row will be column. So here is, you can see transpose of AB equal to, here is 219. So first row will be the first column, second row will be the second column. So we have got transpose of AB, that means left hand side. তাহলে আমরা লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইড করার সময় প্রথমে আমাদেরকে লিখতে হবে মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন অফ এবি, এবির অংশটুকু আমাদেরকে লিখতে হবে। তাহলে এবি কি ছিল, 219 মাইনাস 4 মাইনাস 13। এরপর ট্রান্সপোজ করার সময় কি করতে হবে, রো, এর ইজ ফার্স্ট রো উইল বি দ্য ফার্স্ট কলাম, সেকেন্ড রো উইল বি দ্য সেকেন্ড কলাম। তোমাকে এই পদ্ধতিটা ফলো করতে হবে। সো উই হ্যাভ গট, here is first row, এটা ছিল ফার্স্ট রো, হয়েছে ফার্স্ট কলাম, সেকেন্ড রো সেকেন্ড কলাম। সো উই হ্যাভ ডান লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইড, আমাদের বাম পক্ষটা হয়েছে। লেটস কাম ব্যাক উইল টু দ্য রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইড। বিফোর স্টার্টিং দ্য রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইড, at first we have to write B and convert into transpose. Then you have to write A, we have to transpose. Then we have to multiply. If we can see the left hand side and right hand side are equal, then the maths done. So let's come back. Already we have got left hand side. Now we have to solve right hand side. So let's come back. Here is B. B equal 0, 5, 1 and 7. So transpose of B, 0, 5, 1 and 7, then transpose. So we'll get first row will be the first column, 0, 5, 1 and 7. আমরা প্রথমে বিটা লিখব, ট্রান্সপোজ অফ বি, ফার্স্ট বি ট্রান্সপোজ অফ বি, হিয়ার ইজ ট্রান্সপোজ চিহ্ন, 0, 5, 1 and 7. Now 0, 5, here is 0, 5, first row first column, second row second column, transpose of B complete. Now come back, here is given A, 1, 2, 3 minus 4, transpose, then convert into transpose matrix. 1, 2, here is 1, here is 2 and 3 minus 4. আমরা A করেছি, একইভাবে আমরা B করব। তোমাকে প্রথমে A লিখতে হবে, ট্রান্সপোজ অফ A, ট্রান্সপোজ চিহ্ন, ফার্স্ট রো ফার্স্ট কলাম, সেকেন্ড রো সেকেন্ড কলাম। So we have got transpose of A and transpose of B. আমরা transpose of A এবং transpose of B পেয়েছি। Now we have to find out transpose of B into transpose of A. এখন আমাদেরকে transpose of B into transpose of A বের করতে হবে। Come back, already we have got transpose of B, transpose of A. আমরা transpose of A and transpose of B পেয়েছি। এখন আমরা বের করব ট্রান্সপোজ অফ বি ইন্টু ট্রান্সপোজ অফ এ, মাল্টিপ্লাই। তোমাদেরকে দুটো মাল্টিপ্লাই করতে হবে। আসো, হিয়ার ইজ ট্রান্সপোজ অফ বি, ট্রান্সপোজ অফ এ, এটা ট্রান্সপোজ অফ এ, বি, এটা ট্রান্সপোজ অফ বি, ট্রান্সপোজ অফ এ, মাল্টিপ্লাই। হোয়াট ইজ দ্য সিস্টেম? দিস ইজ দ্য সিস্টেম। সো হিয়ার ইজ 0, 1, 5 and 7. Again same method, we'll get 0 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 2, then 5 into 1 plus 7 into 2, 5 into 1 plus 7 into 2. Then the remaining column is, বাকি কলামটা আছে 3 and minus 4. So 0 into 3, 1 into minus 4, 0 into 3, 1 into minus 4, 0 into 3, 0 into 3 plus 1 into minus 4, 0 into 3 1 into minus 4, and 5 into 3, 5 into 3, 5 into 3, multiply 5 into 3 plus 7 into minus 4. Already multiplication completed, দুটো multiplication আমাদের complete হয়েছে. Now we will have to find out the answer. So make it short. 0 into 1, here is we will get 0 plus 2, 5 plus 7 into 2, 14. Here is 0 minus into plus minus 4. Here is 5 into 3, 15, minus 7 into 4, 28. We will get 2, here is 19, here is minus 4, here is, we will get 28 minus 15, we will get 13. So we have got left hand side 2 and 19, minus 4 and 13. আমরা বাম পক্ষেও এটা পেয়েছি, ডান পক্ষেও এটা পেলাম. So for this reason left hand side equal to right hand side proved. আসো আমরা নতুন আরেকটি অঙ্ক করি. So here is a equal to 1 2 2 and 2 1 2 and 2 2 1, and I equal to, that means identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 and 1. অর্থাৎ a সমান দেওয়া আছে, a সমান 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1 এবং I সমান 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. সো তোমাকে নির্ণয় করতে হবে a square minus 5a plus 6i equal to what? Here is a and I equal to given. You have to evaluate a square minus 5a plus 6i equal to what? So if we want to solve this, we have to find out at first a into a square, a into a square. প্রথমে a into a square টা বের করতে হবে. So let's come back, please follow. Here is a square equal a into a. You have to write a into a. So according to the system of multiplication, you have to follow, this is row and this is column, row and column, then again row and column, again row and column. So you have to follow, this is row and this is column. So 1 into 1, 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2. You can see 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2, 2 into 2. Again 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2, completed. And 2 into 1, 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2, completed. In the same way, একই পদ্ধতিতে you have to solve. তোমাকে solve করতে হবে. This is column and this is row. 1 into 2, 2 into 1, 2 into 2. 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2. So here is 2 into 2, completed. 2 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 1, 1 into 2. So in the same way, you have to find out, this is column and this is row. So find out, try to find out 1 into 2, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 1, 2 into 1. So here is 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Okay, now remaining row is 2 2 1, 2 2 1. So 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 into 1. So already we have done a into a square. আমাদের a into a square completed. Now we have to calculate. So let's come back. So already we have got the multiplication. আমাদের a into a square completed. Now we have to find out a square minus 5a plus 6i equal to what? So please come back. You can see a square equal to what? 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 1, 1 into 2, 2 into 2. We have got 2 plus 2 plus 4 and 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 2, 2. Now calculate. এখন ক্যালকুলেশনটা করো। 4 plus 4 plus 1, 9, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. In the same way, calculation completed. Now we have to find out a square minus 5a plus 6i. A square minus 5a plus 6i. You can see here is a square. Therefore, a square minus 5a plus 6i. So, what is the value of a square? Value of a square is 988. 988. Then 898. 898. 889. 889. So I have written here a square. আমি a square equal to লিখেছি minus 5a plus 6i. So we know I equal to 1 0 0. Identity matrix 0 1 0 0 0 1. So a equal to what? Follow the book. Write a equal to what? A equal to 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1. So we have got a square, then 5a, then 6i completed. Now we have to multiply it by 5. 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 2, 5 into 2, 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 2, 5 into 2, 5 into 1. আমাদেরকে এখন মাল্টিপ্লিকেশনগুলো করতে হবে, অর্থাৎ গুণনটা করতে হবে। Here is 6, same, 6 into 1, 6, 6, 6. So now we have to solve again. Already putting the value completed. Now you can see here is a square minus 5a plus 6i. A square 5a 6i completed. So now you can see a square 5 into 1 5, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 1 5, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 1 5. Same way 6 6 6 6 6. We have got 3 6. Now we have to find out the answer. So here is, we can see, here is, you can see the board, 9 minus 5 plus 6. So 9 minus 5, 9, here is minus 5 plus 6 plus 6. In the same way 8 minus 10, 8 minus 10, here is plus 0. 8 minus 10, 8 minus 10, 8 minus 10, here is plus 0. You can say here is 8 minus 10, 8 minus 10, here is plus 0. It is 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5, 5, here is plus 6. Again you can see here is 8, 8, 8, here is minus 10, 8 minus 10, here is plus 0. Now remaining is, here is 8 minus 10, 8 minus 10, 8 minus 10 plus 0. So here is 8 minus 10, you can see 8 minus 10 plus 0. Here is 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5 plus 6. So you have to calculate according to the system of plus minus of matrix. ম্যাট্রিক্সের যোগ এবং বিয়োগ অনুসারে আমাদের ক্যালকুলেশন completed. Now we will have to find out the answer. So here is 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 minus 5, 15 minus 5 equal to, 15 minus 5 equal to 10. Here is minus 2, here is minus 2. The same way, here is we get minus 2, here is 9 plus 6, 15 minus 5, 10. Here is we get minus 2. So here is the 8 minus 10, we get minus 2, and here is 8 minus 10, we get minus 2, 9 plus 6, 15 minus 5, we get 10. So according to the question, a square minus 5a plus 6i equal to, we have got this. This is the answer. So let's come back, we'll start again the new maths.